Dr. Kukreja, as a pioneer in the area of homeopathy, you've been in service of people for over 25 years now. I want to know from your point of view, what is the impact of micronutrient deficiency in the health of people, especially magnesium deficiency?
आज बात करेंगे मिनरल्स के बारे में, स्पेशली द मैग्नीशियम एंड कैल्शियम लेवल्स इन द बॉडी. सो whenever there is a deficiency of magnesium, we know it causes muscle cramps, twitching of the muscles, constipation, migraines and high blood pressure. Apart from that, magnesium has a very important role. It prevents the calcification of the artery. So the excess of calcium does not get deposited into the brain, the eye, the soft tissues if the magnesium levels are proper. So magnesium is basically the master controller of all the minerals, especially the calcium. So right amount of magnesium is very important in the system so as to have a normal absorption of calcium and prevent the calcification, that is the pathological calcification.